Hello everyone. Growing older is a natural part of life, one that comes with its own set of challenges, but also unique opportunities for growth, exploration, and fulfillment. As we age, we often encounter changes that can affect our physical abilities, social lives, and mindset. But despite the challenges that growing older may present, it also offers the chance to live with wisdom, pursue new passions, and deepen connections with loved ones. That said, navigating our later years requires careful thought and mindfulness, especially when it comes to what we say, what we do, and where we go. This article explores 3 things not to say, 3 things not to do, and 3 places not to go as we age, with the goal of helping you embrace the future with confidence, health, and joy. 3 things not to say when you grow old. What we say has a significant impact on our mindset and how we perceive the world. Negative statements about aging can limit our potential and skew our perception of the future. The way we talk about ourselves and our age can influence our actions and decisions, so it's important to be mindful of our words. Below are 3 things that should be avoided in your vocabulary as you grow older. 1. I'm too old for that. Saying I'm too old for that is one of the most limiting things you can say to yourself. It creates a self-imposed boundary that restricts you from trying new experiences or exploring new opportunities. Age should never be seen as a barrier to trying new things, whether it's learning a new skill, taking up a hobby, or stepping outside your comfort zone. Instead of focusing on age as a limitation, view it as an opportunity for growth. Older adults often have more time and freedom to pursue their interests than when they were younger. Whether it's traveling, taking up painting, learning to play a musical instrument, or even going back to school, it's never too late to try something new. Embrace the mindset that you are never too old to learn, explore, or reinvent yourself. Research has shown that people who continue to engage in activities and challenge themselves intellectually tend to live healthier and longer lives. 2. I've seen it all before. It's natural to have lived through many experiences and seen countless changes throughout your life. But saying I've seen it all before can create a mental block, preventing you from seeing the world with fresh eyes. It can stifle curiosity and hinder personal growth. The world is constantly evolving, and while you may have witnessed a lot in your life, it's important to stay open to new perspectives, technologies, and ideas. The way we communicate, the advancements in science, and even the cultural shifts happening in society all offer new things to learn and adapt to. By saying I've seen it all before, you close yourself off to the present moment and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. Instead, approach each new day with curiosity and an open mind, ready to embrace the changes and innovations that come with it. 3. I'm just waiting for the end. Perhaps one of the most dangerous things you can say as you grow older is, I'm just waiting for the end. This kind of statement reflects a mindset of resignation and hopelessness, which can greatly affect your mental and physical health. It signals that you've lost your sense of purpose and have given up on the possibilities that life still holds. It's crucial to understand that there is no expiration date on living a fulfilling life. Even in the later stages of life, you can find meaning, joy, and opportunities to contribute. Whether it's through your relationships, hobbies, or community involvement, there is always a reason to stay active and engaged. Instead of waiting for the end, focus on living in the moment and finding fulfillment each day. Seek purpose, stay active, and cultivate relationships with the people who matter most. Life is an ongoing journey, and it's important to make the most of it at any age. 3 things not to do when you grow old. Our actions and behaviors play a significant role in how we experience aging. There are habits and practices that may seem harmless, but can negatively impact our quality of life as we get older. Avoiding certain behaviors can help ensure that you maintain your health, happiness, and independence. 1. Stop moving or exercising. One of the biggest mistakes older adults can make is giving up on physical activity. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that as you get older, you should reduce physical activity. But the truth is, exercise is more important than ever as you age. Staying physically active helps maintain muscle strength, bone density, flexibility, and balance. It also improves heart health and can boost your mood by releasing endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine doesn't require intense gym sessions or running marathons. Even simple activities like walking, swimming, yoga, or stretching can make a big difference in maintaining physical health. Strength training with light weights can also help preserve muscle mass and prevent falls. Exercise doesn't just improve physical health, it also promotes mental well-being by reducing stress and anxiety. Regular movement can help combat the feelings of depression and isolation that some older adults experience. So don't stop moving. Your body will thank you for it. 2. Isolate yourself. As we grow older, it can be easy to isolate ourselves, especially if we're retired or facing health issues. Loneliness can become a serious concern for older adults, and it's crucial to maintain social connections to preserve mental and emotional health. Social isolation has been linked to higher risks of depression, cognitive decline, and even early death. Instead of withdrawing from the world, make an effort to stay engaged with others. Spend time with family and friends, join social clubs or community groups, volunteer, or take up a new hobby that involves social interaction. Engaging with others not only provides emotional support, but also keeps your mind sharp and enhances your sense of belonging. Additionally, technology can be a helpful tool for staying connected, especially if physical mobility is a concern. Video calls, social media, and even online communities offer ways to stay in touch with loved ones and connect with new people. 3. Forget to plan for the future. Many people neglect to plan for their later years, assuming that everything will work out on its own. However, failing to plan for the future can lead to unnecessary stress, financial strain, and even strained relationships. It's essential to create a plan that addresses your healthcare needs, financial security, and living arrangements. Start by reviewing your finances and setting up a budget that will allow you to live comfortably in retirement. Make sure you have adequate health insurance and long-term care coverage. Consider writing a will or setting up an estate plan to ensure your wishes are carried out. Planning for the future also means having conversations with your loved ones about your desires as you age. Whether it's where you want to live, how you want to be cared for, or who will manage your finances, these conversations are essential for maintaining control over your life as you grow older. 3. Places not to go. When you grow old. As you age, your physical abilities may change, and certain places may no longer be suitable for your needs. Understanding your limits and avoiding environments that could compromise your health or safety is important for maintaining a high quality of life. 1. The couch. It's easy to settle into a sedentary lifestyle, especially if you have more time on your hands. However, spending hours on the couch can have negative consequences on your physical and mental health. Prolonged sitting is associated with various health problems, such as poor circulation, muscle weakness, and weight gain. Instead of spending your days glued to the TV, find ways to stay active and engaged. Create a routine that includes movement and variety, whether it's walking around the neighborhood, gardening, or trying out a new exercise class. Your body needs to move to stay healthy, and staying active can help you feel more energized, improve your mood, and maintain your independence. 2. places that are too crowded or stressful. As we age, our tolerance for stress may decrease, and our physical abilities may limit us from handling certain environments. Crowded places, noisy venues, or stressful situations can be overwhelming and detrimental to your mental health. Avoid going to places that increase your stress levels or make you feel anxious. Instead, opt for quieter, calmer environments. Take time to enjoy peaceful walks in nature, visit local parks, or enjoy intimate gatherings with family and friends. Choose locations that allow you to relax and enjoy your surroundings without feeling overwhelmed. 3. Dangerous or unfamiliar terrain. As you age, your balance, coordination, and strength may decline, making it more difficult to navigate uneven or hazardous terrain. Hiking on steep trails, walking on slippery surfaces, or engaging in activities that require strenuous physical effort can increase the risk of falls or injury. When planning outings or vacations, consider destinations that are more accessible and safe for older adults. Choose places with well-maintained walking paths, ramps, and elevators. Make sure the environment accommodates your physical needs and reduces the likelihood of accidents. Growing older is not about slowing down. It's about continuing to live a fulfilling, healthy, and active life. By being mindful of what we say, what we do, and where we go, we can ensure that our later years are filled with purpose, joy, and fulfillment. It's never too late to try new things, make lasting connections, or plan for a bright future. By embracing life with an open heart and a proactive approach, you can make the most of your golden years and continue to live life to the fullest.